Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, October 8, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a bearish reading for October, November, January, and March, and also the combined dollar-weighted put-call ratio here for the VIX. The important ones were the October and November. Those were the most important today. As you can see here, big volume on both of them. We have a very big day here as on total contracts for the VIX. If we go to the charts, here we have the daily chart for the SPX. We were down 1.23% for the day, 20.6 handles for the day. We broke basically through everything. Yesterday we broke the 50-day moving average. Today we broke the upward trend line here. Pretty bearish formation here. Big volume today. You can see here, next support is going to be this previous lows here around 1627. I doubt we get there. I'm buying here. I am bullish here as we come lower. Going for the Qs. Qs down almost 2% for the day. Big move down. You could see huge volume just at the 50-day moving average, barely below it. It's going to be interesting to see how we react tomorrow to this move lower. I believe we're going to get a bounce here, but we clearly broke the consolidation range we were in. IWM down 1.6% down for the day. You can see it here, big volume also, testing the 50-day moving average and breaking the consolidation range. If we do break lower here, next target's going to be here, this 100 level. That's going to be pretty important, but I do not think we're going to get there. For gold basically flat given the day, 0.19% lower, and you can see here we're still consolidating here a little bit higher, forming a bear flag. It would be nice to see if we could short it at 130. I believe that's going to be a great entry level to the downside. For silver, here we have it, almost the same. We broke yesterday above the 50-day moving average, a nice volume. Today we're going a little bit lower. I'm neutral here for SLV and GLD. I'm just waiting for higher prices for it to get short. Apple down here about 1.4% for the day, trading at 481, let's call it. We're testing the 50-day moving average also. It's going to be pretty important to see tomorrow's action, if we go higher or lower. And we also have this descending trend line there. If you expand it, that's acting as resistance. We also have this here lower, so we have a triangle there. It's gonna be interesting to see which way we break. I'm kind of bearish in Apple, but I'm gonna wait for the chart to tell me which way to go. Google down 1.4% for the day, 853. Testing to the tick here. You can see here this bottom of the channel. We're gonna see what happens there, if we're gonna break lower and test this 200-day moving average, or this could be a very nice entry point. Let's talk about the high flyers. Facebook down 6.7% for the day. Huge down day for Facebook, huge volume. Interesting reversal, closing at the lows of the day. Netflix also down 5% for the day, closing at 302. Big move lower here. It's going to be interesting to see what happens around this 50-day moving average of 285. LinkedIn down 6% for the day. You can see it here, 222, breaking the 50-day moving average. Huge volume today. That's also interesting there. You can see it. I'm very neutral here. Last one we will look here is Yahoo. Down 3.5% for the day on very big volume. You could see it there. I think we have room to test 30 here in Yahoo.